Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about flying? Picture this. You're in the cockpit of your very own helicopter, but it's not a massive, complicated machine. It's small, personal, and just for you. A helicopter that fits in your garage, ready to take off from your backyard whenever you feel the urge to fly. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me tell you, it's not just a dream anymore. Mini helicopters are an incredible blend of technology, efficiency, and personal adventure, offering aviation enthusiasts a taste of the skies without needing to own a massive, expensive chopper. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of the smallest mini helicopters in the world. These helicopters aren't just about size, they're about making flight accessible, fun, and, quite frankly, cool. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just someone fascinated by aviation, this list will leave you wondering, how small can they get? So, let's get into it. Number 1. Mosquito XEL. Let's kick things off with the Mosquito XEL. This tiny beast is a one-seater ultralight helicopter designed for solo flying enthusiasts. Now, this thing is seriously small, weighing in at just 298 pounds. But don't let its size fool you, it's fully capable of taking off, hovering and cruising the skies at up to 63 miles per hour. The coolest part? It can land on water. Yes, you heard that right, this tiny chopper can do aquatic landings, so whether you're flying over a lake or river, you've got a safe spot to touch down if needed. And here's another amazing detail in the US. The Mosquito XEL falls under the ultralight category, so you don't even need a pilot's license to fly it. Imagine being able to experience the freedom of flight without all the red tape. It's no wonder this little helicopter has become a favorite for adventure seekers. Number 2. Dragonfly DF1. Next up is something really special, the Dragonfly DF1. If you thought electric helicopters were the future, well, welcome to that future. This helicopter weighs only 180 pounds and runs entirely on electricity. That's right, no gasoline, no noisy engines, just smooth, clean, eco-friendly flying. It's powered by electric motors that give you up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Now, that might not sound like a long time, but for quick, quiet flights, it's absolutely perfect. What's also amazing about the Dragonfly DF1 is how quiet it is. You can barely hear it as it zips through the air at a top speed of 40 miles per hour. Whether you're gliding over a city or through the countryside, you'll hardly disturb the peace. It's perfect for those who want to keep a low profile, literally and figuratively. Number 3. Mini 500. The Mini 500. This one's a bit of a legend in the world of mini helicopters. Unlike some of the others, the Mini 500 is a kit helicopter, meaning you get to build it yourself. That's right, if you've ever wanted to put together your own helicopter, this is your chance. Weighing about 500 pounds, this single-seat helicopter is compact, but incredibly powerful for its size. It can reach speeds of 100 miles per hour and has a range of around 150 miles, making it one of the more capable entries on this list. The best part? Once you've built it, the pride you feel when you take to the skies in something you made with your own hands is unbeatable. It's the perfect helicopter for those who love both aviation and a good project. Number 4. Gen H4. Okay, now let's talk about something truly unique, the Gen H4. This tiny helicopter from Japan weighs just 165 pounds and is the world's smallest helicopter. What makes this one so incredible is its simplicity. It's basically a seat with rotors. There's no cabin, no frills, just you, the sky, and the hum of the engine. But don't let its minimalist design fool you. The Gen H4 can still fly at a top speed of 56 mph, and it's actually super easy to use. The beauty of the Gen H4 lies in its accessibility. It's designed for people who might not have years of flying experience but still want to get in the air. You can even assemble it in just a few hours, so if you've ever wanted to own a helicopter but thought it was too complicated, this little gem might just be for you. Number 5. Coax 2D2R. The Coax 2D and 2R are something different, a pair of mini helicopters that feature a coaxial rotor system. Now, what does that mean? Essentially, it has two sets of rotors stacked on top of each other, which makes the helicopter much more stable during flight. This is great for beginners who might be worried about controlling a helicopter in tricky conditions. Weighing just over 300 pounds, these helicopters are light but don't skimp on performance. The Coax models can hit speeds of 75 miles per hour and with a range of up to 180 miles, they're ideal for longer flights. Plus, they look really cool with their futuristic design. These helicopters are all about safety, stability, and ease of use, so if you're a first-time pilot, the Cokes might be your new best friend. Number 6. Mosquito Air. Now, if you liked the Mosquito XEL, wait until you hear about the Mosquito Air. This is a stripped-down, bare-bones version of the XEL, and it's even lighter at just 250 pounds. The Mosquito Air is the ultimate in minimalist flying. It's literally just a frame, rotors, and an engine. No cockpit, no luxuries, just pure, unfiltered flight. This one's not for the faint of heart, but if you're an experienced pilot who wants to feel connected to every aspect of the flight, this is the way to go. The Mosquito Air doesn't have the same safety features as some of the other helicopters on this list, but that's part of its appeal. It's for the hardcore aviation enthusiasts who want the raw experience of flying a helicopter. Just you, the wind, and the rotors spinning above. Number 7. CH-7 Compress. Let's step up the design game a bit with the CH-7 Compress. This two-seater mini helicopter looks like it came straight out of a high-end design studio. Weighing just over 600 pounds, it's a bit on the larger side for a mini helicopter, but it still falls into the compact category. The CH-7 Compress is sleek, fast, and can reach speeds of up to 115 miles per hour with a range of about 300 miles. It's one of the fastest helicopters on this list, which makes it perfect for those who want both speed and style. This helicopter is for the pilot who wants more than just function. It's for someone who appreciates the aesthetics of flight. The CH-7 is a head-turner both in the air and on the ground, so if you're looking to impress, this is your helicopter. Number 8. Helisport's CH-77 Rana Bot. Next up, we have the CH-77 Rana Bot from Helisport, another two-seater mini helicopter that's a bit larger but incredibly agile. Weighing around 650 pounds, it can reach top speeds of 120 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest mini helicopters around. But speed isn't the only thing that makes this helicopter stand out. The CH-77 is known for its smooth handling and great performance at higher altitudes, making it perfect for more adventurous pilots who want to push the limits. What's more, it has a range of about 350 miles, so it's ideal for longer trips where you want to cover more ground or sky. If you want something fast, powerful, and reliable, the CH-77 might just be your ideal mini helicopter. Number 9. Safari 400. The Safari 400 is one of the most iconic kit helicopters out there. If you love aviation and have a bit of a DI spirit, this helicopter is for you. Weighing around 1,500 pounds, it's heavier than some of the others on this list, but what makes it special is that you get to build it yourself. Yes, you can literally construct your own helicopter. Once it's complete, the Safari 400 offers a fantastic flying experience, with a max speed of 100 miles per hour and a range of 300 miles. It's not just about the flight, it's about the journey to get there. The sense of accomplishment when you finish building your own helicopter is unmatched. And once you're in the air, you'll know that every bolt, every rotor, and every inch of the Safari 400 was put together by you. Last but certainly not least, we have something truly futuristic, the Volocopter 2X. This mini helicopter is part of a new wave of electric, vertical takeoff and landing EVTO aircraft. The Volocopter 2X weighs in at 992 pounds, making it one of the heaviest on our list, but its innovative design and advanced technology put it in a class of its own. The 2X is an all-electric, two-seater aircraft with 18 rotors arranged in a circle, giving it a truly unique look. It's designed for short-range flights, making it ideal for urban environments or quick hops between cities. What's even cooler is that the Volocopter 2X is almost completely autonomous. You don't have to be an experienced pilot to fly it. In fact, it's so user-friendly that it's almost like driving a car, but in the sky. With a top speed of 62 miles per hour and a flight range of 22 miles, the Volocopter 2X is shaping the future of personal air travel. It's environmentally friendly, quiet, and perfect for those who want to experience the thrill of flying without the emissions or complexity of traditional helicopters. If you've ever dreamed of flying something straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Volocopter 2X brings that dream to life. And that brings us to the end of our list, whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a curious beginner, or just someone who loves the idea of having your own personal helicopter. These incredible machines offer something for everyone. From the eco-friendly Volocopter 2X to the DI builds like the Safari 400, there's no shortage of innovation, adventure, and thrill when it comes to mini helicopters. If you enjoyed this video and found it as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and let us know in the comments which mini helicopter you'd love to fly. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting content about the coolest machines and vehicles from around the world. We've got tons more content coming your way, from cutting-edge tech to historic aviation marvels, so be sure to stick around. And as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep exploring the skies, and remember, adventure is just a flight away.